Let me go back. Here I say Express app 1. I want to launch one more app, and certainly this time we will have to map it to another port on the host. 3000 port in the container can be perfectly fine, and here the container name, image name will remain as it is. So if you see, I'm running one more container from the same image, and we hit enter now. So one more container will start running, and if I say docker ps-a, now we see there are two containers running. Both have different names and they are mapping to different ports, and their IDs are different, but their image file is same. Now on host, if I go and say localhost, not local, sorry, it will be the IP address of my VM. This time I have to give a port number of 81. And if you see, 81 and 80 ports are giving same size. So ideally, if you see, using Docker containers, we are able to horizontally scale our application. If these two were independent processes, then we are running actually two processes. There are two workers who are ready to receive the request and they can serve the request. They both are running on different port, and that is what we have seen just now. So this way we are able to run image, and we are able to create a container.